We are Dynamic Signals!
And we've been doing a lot of outreach. We focus on two main groups, receiving signals and sending signals.
So for sending signals, we actually, while we're at tournaments and stuff, we'll give rookie teams advice while we're at the tournaments.
The sending signals, which was where I came to know the team, was at the engineering night at the College of Lake County.
The Build a Better Bot workshop where we got to receive signals from two other
The team
teams.
was announced for the Cascade Effect season. We decided that to get everywhere and to do everything that we need, we decided that we needed a square chassis.
That we were going to use chain instead of gears. Now, we didn't know how to use chain.
Now, we decided that to get all the goals, we need a linear slide.
We decided to go to Stein Electric and find out that if we should use 80-20 for a robot. So we decided it would be stronger and more efficient, so we used 80-20.
We decided that we were going to go for the highest goal and do the simplest scoring along with the complicated scoring. So we made a really reliable jig on the back of our robot that allows it so when we grab the crates, it doesn't wobble as much, so we have more freedom there when we go to score with our tube into it. And we decided that our intake was going to be on the front and our exit was going to be out of the back. So our arm actually comes up and then tilts backwards and cantilevers backwards.
We got all the rolling goals up on the ramp every single time, so we got the score and we were consistent with doing that. So it wasn't all about the balls, but it was sometimes all about the rolling goals.
Unique control design this year allows us to really benefit from driving because we only have one controller. So basically this allows us to have two coaches on the field at the same time.
And one can look at the field and the other one can write down the score, what they think it is.
We have a slow button now, so for aligning, you press the button and it goes slower so that you don't have to handle the speed.
At first we started out without a prototype, which was kind of a bad idea, which we learned later. We started with a plexiglass tube, which we thought we could bend to the shape that we wanted it, but it ended up cracking multiple times. Then we just went back to phase one and started with a prototype out of cardboard, and that worked pretty well. And so then when we went to the polycarbonate, which is our final design, which we used for our second qualifier matches.
We decided to name our robot after a guy from Got Robot, and his name's Marcos. And their team helped us a lot last year, and so we decided to name a robot after it. Every year we name a robot after somebody that helped us a lot.
See you in Crystal Lake. You said we'll see you.
Okay.